This is part 1 of our HTML tutorial series for beginners. And in this tutorial series, I'll be giving a brief overview of HTML and what you can do with it. So let's get started. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And it is the standard markup language for web pages. And so HTML is built up of these things called elements. And each element has a start tag. So for example, head, and an end tag. And the end tag is denoted by a / and then the name of the element. And so whatever's within these two tags defines what's within the element. And so if we start writing some HTML code, we can say h1, which stands for heading. It is the largest heading. There are 6 of them: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. h1 is the largest. So we can say hello world. And then we have to close it to denote that this is the end of this element. And there's one thing I'm missing. Doc type HTML. And so this needs to be at the top of any of your HTML documents to denote that you are using HTML. And so once you save it, so we can call this tut.html, save it as an HTML file, not a .txt file, and then you can navigate to it with whatever browser you want, and whatever you typed in your HTML document is now displayed. So this is just a brief overview of HTML. In further tutorials, I'll go deeper and look at bigger projects that you can start to make. But I hope this was a deep enough interview for beginners to get started and start experimenting. And I thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.